Elon Musk's daring vision continues to fuel his unstoppable drive to make Tesla stand out from every other electric car manufacturer on Earth. His ambition isn't just bold, it borders on the impossible. Yet time and again, Musk has turned impossible ideas into physical reality. What once sounded like wild science fiction now rolls off Tesla's production lines. From the polygonal, futuristic Cybertruck to the humanoid Tesla Optimus robot. From the upcoming Cybercab Robotaxis to the sleek Cybervan, the rumored Tesla phone, and even whispers of a flying car, Musk's obsession with redefining what's possible keeps pushing the boundaries of innovation further and further. Recently, Musk dropped another bombshell that sent shockwaves across the aerospace and tech industries. He revealed plans for a revolutionary hypersonic aircraft set for launch in 2027, an aircraft Tesla is calling the Starjet. This announcement reignited excitement that had simmered since early prototypes were teased years ago. Originally, Musk hinted at unveiling it back in 2024. But after Tesla missed that target date, the project seemed to vanish into the shadows. For a while, many thought the idea had quietly been shelved. That is, until leaked documents from Giga Texas exposed new Starjet production blueprints, confirming that this dream was still very much alive, according to those leaks. The Tesla Starjet isn't just another supersonic airplane. It's an entirely new class of aircraft, one that merges rocket-like velocity with the practicality and comfort of a commercial jet. It's designed to soar beyond Mach 5, a speed that could completely redefine global travel. If Musk can pull it off, executives could attend breakfast meetings in New York, fly to Paris for lunch, and be back home by dinner the same day. Just imagine covering the New York to Paris route in only 55 minutes. It sounds like something out of a futuristic movie, but this is exactly the kind of vision Musk has built his entire empire on. Now, to be clear, Tesla isn't the first to chase the dream of hypersonic flight. Companies like Hermes have already been experimenting with unmanned jets, such as their quarter-horse model, which began flight tests as early as 2019. Meanwhile, legendary aircraft like the SR-71 Blackbird, China's hypersonic prototypes, and Lockheed Martin's X-59 have continued pushing the limits of speed and endurance. But these advanced machines come at astronomical costs, some between $1 to $25 million and a staggering $1 billion per unit. That's where Musk's vision flips the script. Tesla claims it can deliver the Starjet for an unbelievable $9,899, a figure so low, it almost sounds like a misprint. The secret lies in Tesla's masterful use of shared technology across its ecosystem. By borrowing manufacturing techniques from its electric vehicle line and incorporating SpaceX's reusable rocket technologies, Musk plans to slash costs in ways that traditional aerospace giants can't even imagine. It sounds absurd, maybe even impossible, but that's the same reaction people had when Musk first announced reusable rockets. Affordable mass-market EVs? Or a car factory that could build vehicles every 33 seconds. And yet here we are. Reports suggest early Starjet test flights are already gaining momentum behind the scenes, adding fuel to the idea that this isn't just another bold promise, it's a work in progress. So what exactly is this mysterious Starjet going to look like? And how can Tesla make a hypersonic aircraft for less than the cost of a used car? Can it truly reach Mach 5? And smash the limits of what we believe possible in air travel? These are the questions that have everyone buzzing. Musk has publicly stated that he's been thinking about aircraft design for years. He sees a once-in-a-generation opportunity to merge electric propulsion with hypersonic performance. Most people associate hypersonic craft with experimental space programs, vehicles designed purely for research or military testing. But Musk envisions something far bigger. A commercial Starjet fleet that connects major cities across the world in under an hour, revolutionizing business travel, emergency response, and even high-speed cargo delivery. Naturally, many call this idea insane. Flying at hypersonic speeds in a commercial context challenges nearly every regulation, safety protocol, and engineering standard in aviation. It breaks the norms that the world clings to. A machine capable of traveling faster, longer, And cheaper than anything we've ever seen sounds thrilling, but it also comes with tremendous risks. Let's face it, flying at Mach 5 isn't like cruising in an electric sedan. The physics are brutal. Any accident at that altitude and velocity would be catastrophic. Survival chances in the event of failure plummet dramatically. That's why safety isn't just an afterthought for Musk, it's the biggest engineering mountain he has to climb. For Starjet to succeed, it has to prove it can be both revolutionary and safe, meeting the strictest technical and regulatory standards ever imposed on an aircraft. Musk himself admits that ideas are the easy part. It's execution that separates visionaries from dreamers. As he famously says, it's 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. His work ethic mirrors that philosophy. Those close to him describe his life as a loop of work, sleep, 7 days a week, driven by his relentless determination to turn wild concepts into tangible reality, according to Tesla's engineering teams. The Starjet's design heavily leans on SpaceX's rocket expertise, giving it performance unlike anything the commercial market has seen. Engineers claim it could become the fastest supersonic aircraft on Earth, with speeds exceeding Mach 5. To put that in perspective, Mach 5 translates to 5 times the speed of sound, roughly 3,836 miles per hour. That's 9 times faster than today's average commercial airliner. For a bit of real-world context, a typical bullet travels at around 1,200 miles per hour, so a Mach 5 Starjet would move more than 3 times faster than a bullet shot from a gun. That kind of speed is almost incomprehensible. It means the world could literally shrink before our eyes' continents connected, neighboring cities. To visualize what Tesla is trying to achieve, consider Hermosa's quarter-horse jet. It's one of the most advanced hypersonic aircraft ever built. This unmanned vehicle pushes boundaries of speed and aerodynamics, hitting and sometimes exceeding Mach 5. It's powered by a hybrid engine that blends jet and rocket propulsion. Pushing the limits of aerospace technology, Hermosa's even built multiple variants, some capable of reaching Mach 6 and Mach 7, putting them in the same performance category as certain spacecraft. Despite its insane capabilities, the quarter-horse was built with usability in mind. The cockpit includes a mix of advanced touchscreen interfaces and traditional flight sticks designed for intuitive control in both manned and autonomous modes. Its wing structure is especially fascinating. The wings are designed to minimize drag at ultra-high speeds, while still being able to fold upward for vertical takeoff and landing, similar to how SpaceX's rockets use retractable fins for control. This gives the jet extreme flexibility in how it takes off, lands, and maneuvers. According to Hermes, their aircraft can safely cruise at Mach 7, or roughly 5,365 miles per hour, covering thousands of miles in record time. It carries 4 specialized fuel tanks, giving it a range of about 4,000 miles on a single fill-up. That's enough to connect nearly any 2 major cities within the same hemisphere. In terms of size, the quarter-horse measures around 54 feet in length, 16 feet wide, and 14 feet tall, dimensions similar to a smaller Boeing 747. But here's the shocking part. While a Boeing 747 weighs almost 1,000,000 pounds, the quarter-horse tips the scales at only 12,000 pounds. That's lighter than some private jets. Thanks to its ultra-efficient materials and minimalist structural design, its body is made primarily of composite. Carbon fiber reinforced with titanium in high heat zones. The result is a jet that's not just fast, but also remarkably resilient. The sharp nose and swept-back tail resemble a space shuttle. It's designed to slice through air at supersonic speeds with minimal turbulence. This is the benchmark Tesla is looking at Tand, possibly aiming to surpass. While Hermosa's jet costs tens of millions to produce, Musk's promise of a sub-$10,000 Starjet seems downright absurd in comparison. But Tesla has pulled off this kind of miracle before. The key is scalability and automation. Tesla's gigafactories have become showcases of automated precision machines, building machines. With advanced robotics, 3D printed alloy parts, and AI-assisted design, Tesla has slashed manufacturing costs across every product line. By reusing modular components, electric propulsion systems, and battery technology from its EV division, the company can avoid reinventing the wheel. And by using SpaceX's re-engineered rocket-grade materials, especially hitch-resistant alloys and lightweight composites, Tesla could cut both weight and production costs dramatically. Then there's the battery technology. Musk has teased the use of next-generation aluminum-ion or structural 4,680 battery systems, capable of delivering massive bursts of power required for short hypersonic acceleration phases. Combine that with ultra-dense supercapacitors for instant thrust, and you get the kind of propulsion that bridges electric and rocket performance. The Starjet might then use a hybrid propulsion system, with electrically driven turbofans for takeoff and landing, switching to magnetically assisted plasma engines, or air-breathing rocket boosters for hypersonic cruise. This setup could make vertical takeoff possible, eliminating the need for traditional runways. It would allow the aircraft to lift straight from compact vertiports,